everyone, today we're going to play with my favorite slime, but first let me get it off my hoverboard because that's not safe if I go in the pantry, and so I'm going to get off this thing. Okay guys, so I got my slime. It's actually my brother's slime, but it's actually really good slime and he let me borrow it, and I'm trying to fix it, so let's see how bad the slime is right now. I've been working with it every single day. So let's see how bad it is, because all the time it gets goopy, and yeah. So I brought some activator here. No, it's scented, so it'll smell good too. So I think that's all we're gonna get out. It's actually pretty good slime right now. It's kind of sticky, but sticky's kind of good. So, yeah. It's actually a little bit sticky, so we're gonna add some activator in it. So how you add activator to slime is you puncture a little hole, make a crust on it, and then you just put some activator in and put a little so you don't over activate it. So probably 2 drops is okay. I normally do it with the cap, but I know 2 drops is okay. So I'm just gonna fold it on each side right there. So I don't get my hands all slimy and stuff. Now, and then I'll fold it and I'll play with it for a little bit. And if it gets too activated, I'll put in some water. But I don't think I'll be doing that today because it's pretty good already, if you see. It's pretty good. So, yeah. So, I'm going to do bubble now, I think. Pretty big bubble, but it didn't stay up, so I'm going to try another one. There we go. Look at that foam bead on top. Oh, there's 2 in the back, if you can see. Oh, it's rising. Should I knock it down? What do you think, guys? Yeah, okay. So guys, if you don't know how to make one, I'm going to show you right now. So how you make a big bubble is you spread it out like a pancake, as I call it. You take this side and you lift it up. You just throw it forward like that. And if you don't make it, just keep trying because it'll take a couple minutes or days. Because it took me 2 days to get this. So. And not every single day you're going to get it at one time. You just have to be patient, like that. I'll show you a different way how to make a bubble, too. Okay, this is a different way to make a bubble. If you don't want to flip it, you just bring it up, make a pancake, and you just mix it like that. And it makes tons of bubbles. And then, okay, ASMR. The video right here. So I hope you liked the video and subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.